easy and simple TikTok fidget toys. So yeah. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. Love you all. So these are so cute and adorable, and it is super duper fun to make them, so I would definitely recommend making these. I'm really excited to show you guys, so yeah, now let's start. For the first fidget toy, you'll be needing a sheet of paper. You can also use colored paper if you want. Tape, scissors, and a pencil. This is optional, but you can also use some markers, colored pencils, or crayons. So the first thing you want to do is decide what you're going to make. I'm making a watermelon paper squishy, but you can also just draw a circle or rectangle. After you're done outlining your shape, you're gonna go and start coloring it. This part is optional, but I would definitely recommend it so you can make your squishy nice and pretty. Once you're done coloring your shape, you are now just going to cut it out. After you are done cutting, basically just going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to trace the one that you just made on the other side, or take another piece of paper and trace it, color it in, and then cut it out. And here's how my last piece looks. Next, what you're gonna do is take a clear roll of tape and cover your shape in it. Then once you're done covering your piece with tape, you're just gonna cut off the excess. After you're done laminating your pieces with tape, you're gonna take a smaller roll of tape and tape these two together. So after you're done, you're going to have to make sure that you have a little space without any tape, because this is where you're going to put your stuffing. So I have mine right here. And for the stuffing, you will need a paper bag, but you can also use cotton, memory foam, tissues, and toilet paper, something like that. You're going to take your plastic bag and cut it into little pieces like this. Once you're done cutting, you're gonna take your two taped pieces, and then that little hole right there that you left, you're gonna stuff your plastic into there, or cotton, or whatever you have for your stuffing, and just put it in there until the squishy becomes full. You might need to cut a bit more. Once you're done stuffing, make sure to seal the gap really tightly so the stuffing won't fall out. And then you make sure to tape up all the gaps you see on your squishy. And then there you have it, your super cute and adorable paper squishy. For the next fidget toy, you'll be needing cardboard, paper, tape, scissors, and a pencil. You can also use markers of your choice, colored paper, and some kind of tracer. That is optional. The first thing you're gonna do is get a pencil and a piece of paper and draw a circle on it. I'm going to be using a tracer, so it'll be easier for me. Make sure they are circles, and you can draw as many as you want. Next, you can go and color in your circles. I'm going to use orange, red, and pink, but you don't have to use any colors if you don't want to. I just think it'll make your fidget toy a lot prettier. Guys, this orange color reminds me exactly of oranges, and smash that thumbs button if you love oranges. And after you are done coloring your circles, cut them out. Then you're going to take a giant roll of clear tape and cover your circles in them. Basically what we did with the paper squishies. And then cut off the excess tape. Once you're done, you're gonna go take your scissors and cut a little slit halfway through the circle, just like this, and do that to all of the circles. Then this is hard to explain, so then you're going to make a little cone shape with your circle and then tape them together. And should make a little cone-ish hat and do that to every single one of your circles. Done at making your little cones, you're going to get your piece of cardboard and then just trace them each one on here. but make sure to put them close by because you don't want them to be too far apart. By the way, what I'm trying to make is like a paint palette, so that's why I chose brown cardboard. But you can use any color of cardboard. Once you're done outlining and tracing, you're going to go and cut out the circles that you just drew on there. So you're going to cut this. Once you are done cutting, you are going to take those cones and place them to each hole and tape them. Just like that, and then do it to all of the cones. After you're done taping, you're just going to quickly cut out your shape because I drew a paint palette right here, and I'm just going to cut this all out. After you're done cutting out, this should be your final product. Here's how mine looks. Mine is supposed to be a paint palette, as you can see. Now you can pop it, fidget with it, play it all day long. And for the last fidget toy, you'll be needing some beads, or you can use marbles, and a balloon. So basically what you're gonna do is grab a plastic bottle, or just any bottle you want, and then pour the beads inside. Once you're done filling in your marbles or beads into your cup, you're gonna go and take your balloon and put it over the top. And then dump the bottle so the beads can come into the balloon. Once you're done adding in all of the beads, you're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water. And once you're done adding in the water, just simply tie your balloon. And once you're done tying it, you have your final result. Now you can squeeze it, and it'll be like a massage, and it is super duper fun to play with and squeeze. This also makes great ASMR. And yeah guys, that was the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below which one of these were your favorite, and comment down below which one of these you tried. Also, comment down below if you want a part 2. I think my favorite out of all of these is the watermelon paper squishy because it's super cute and I love watermelons and it is super duper fun to play with. Like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!